morning. I'm about to go get my hair done. It's Saturday, so this will probably be like a weekend in my life, but my hair is looking scraggly. I really need to get the roots touched up, and this is what we're working with. But other than that, I am just cleaning up my office before I go get my hair done. I've gotten a few things to redo my bathroom with so far. So this pile here is all stuff for the bathroom, but that is for a completely different month. Well, I didn't have enough of these cups, come to find out. So they're gonna have to do while I'm at my appointment. This is the best I could do for now. I made a mess, but I gotta go, so I'm gonna clean this up later. I know, it's atrocious. I wouldn't have done this in here had I thought about it. Hi besties, this is Melissa from the future. I realized I never showed you guys what my hair looked like. I just went into the next day of filming. So I just wanted to show you, my hair is looking good. My roots are more blended. The ends are brighter. I just straightened it very, very quickly. And if my makeup looks off, it is off. I was trying a bunch of new products and I was just layering and layering and layering and layering without an end in sight. And then this is where we ended up. So do not fret, you will not see this makeup look again. But back to the video. morning. How are you?
How are you? I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. Thank you.
All right. I'll see you in a couple weeks, okay?
All right, I'll see you then.
All right.
Bye.
All right. Have a good one.
You
Bye.
too.
Hello, can I get a large iced mocha with half almond milk and half whole milk?
And a croissant.
And yeah, an almond croissant.
right, besties, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this week. I needed a very chill video. I ended up getting sick the past 2 weeks after I filmed this, so then I never edited or uploaded. I was just doing the bare minimum, like work and dishes and showering. That's all I got done the past 2 weeks. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm gonna do more of these vlogs in the future. I'm not even going to promise an upload schedule right now because I'm all over the place. I'm doing good though, so thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.